Hello, my name is Alicja Michalowska-Forsyth. I'm assistant professor at the Institute of Electronics. I have organized a Women in Engineering event for a large international conference on a very specific microelectronics reliability topics. It was in Vienna. Typically there is 10–15% of women in the audience. Still, I made the event open to all the conference participants, and in addition placed it in between the technical sessions. The three female presenters mainly focused on the topics of female participation in engineering. However, the questions in the closing panel motivated discussions on general inclusion actions which the organizations could offer. For example, mentoring programs are highly appreciated, not only for females. The impact was threefold. First, a presumed role model impact from the three amazing female speakers. Secondly, the presentation of Space for Women program from the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs was a multiplicator of women in engineering initiatives. And three, about 85% of the participants were men, and that was the unexpected impact. In the global picture, I would say it was all about the inclusion. This Women in Engineering session received by far the largest number of questions in the conference, and the participants' feedback gave a precious guidance on the future directions of such events. Because of that, I was asked to join the daily wrap-up panel session, typically reserved to technical sessions. This multiplied the diversity outcome right at the start. Diversity matters, because it is also about the inclusion. As a society, we can gain much more if the opportunities are not slim-fit tailored to a comfortable model and we don't have tightly sealed groups that define them, but instead everyone can get space to spread their wings.